Monkey Mechanics here, and today we're going to be replacing this ugly light. As you can see, it's all burned up and I don't know what happened to that, and it's bad, and the light bulb is also not working. So just went ahead and bought a whole new set fog lamp. It's a pretty simple little project, fix, whatever. So for this, the tools that we're going to be needing are going to be a 10mm and a Phillips screwdriver, and that's all you're going to be needing for this. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't worry about that little box right there. It's just something to rest my head on while we work. Get under the truck. So first things first, this little connection right here, goodness gracious, too young to be using my memory. All right, that comes right off. And then you guys probably can't see it from here, but there are two 10mm. There's one right here, I can feel it with my finger right here, and then there's another one over on this side, and you can just loosen that up with the wrench and then just take them out all the way out with the rest of the way with our fingers. Anyway, just go ahead and loosen them up. Oh, more? Okay. Quite a bit. Alright. Okay, that's number one. Set that aside. So then we'll move on to number two over on this side. Just break that loose. See? Okay. It's coming off. Alright. Now we can just take this out and install the new one. So, with the same orientation with the holes on the top, just set that up there. Let's go ahead and set this into place. We just feel around for that hole up there into it. So. I think it went in. I believe it's in. Yes. All right. Okay. Now that that one's kind of in, we will go ahead and put in the next one. All right. Feel around for that hole, and here it is. Oh, I lost it. There we go. Oh, great. I guess I didn't tighten it enough on the other side. Just tighten that. Make sure it's in there. Okay. Okay. So move back on to the side again. All right, and then we're just going to tighten them down. Obviously, this is a lot harder for me because I am recording and doing this at the same time, but for anybody else who is doing this, it's much simpler of a job. Okay, you don't have, there's no need to over tighten these. You don't need a tortilla spec. It's just make sure they're nice and tight and snug. All right, now just connect this to its spot, and we'll go outside and see if there's any adjusting that needs to be done. And I would say that yes, there seems to be a little bit of gap here. And for that, we use the screwdriver. Now, right here, this is where we adjust it. This is lifting it up. When you tighten it, the fog lamp should pivot up. When you loosen it, it should pivot downwards. So let's see how it looks. Much better. All right. Now, let's go ahead and test it. Hey, look at that. Looking good. All right. So now we have two clean headlights. We can go ahead and get rid of this ugly, useless one. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and like this video. Wouldn't say subscribe because I don't have much content, but go ahead and like this video and leave a comment. See you guys later.